In today's video, I'll walk you through how to download Adobe Illustrator for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop. Start by clicking the link in the description below, which will take you straight to Adobe's official website. Once there, select the Start Free Trial option. You'll notice 3 plans. We'll go with the business plan, which offers a 14-day free trial. Plenty of time to explore everything Illustrator has to offer. Click Continue and enter your email address, then press Continue again. You'll be prompted to fill out a short form with your personal details and payment information. Adobe won't charge you until the trial period ends, and you can cancel any time before that. Once the form is complete, click Agree and Subscribe. Next, you'll create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After that, download the Creative Cloud desktop app when prompted, install it, then sign in using the same email you just registered. Once Creative Cloud is open, navigate to the Apps tab, scroll through the list, find Illustrator, and click Install. And that's it, Adobe Illustrator is now installed and ready to use. Jump in, start creating stunning vector designs, and explore all the powerful tools Illustrator has to offer. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Illustrator and the full Adobe Creative Cloud Pro suite for free today. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.